Welcome to the podcast studio. If this is your first time here, please contact ittraining@weber.edu for an in-person demonstration. If you've completed the training, welcome back. Here is a reminder on how to get started. The computers in the podcast studio should be on when you arrive. However, if your computer is off, you can find the power button in one of these common locations. For a Mac, the power button can most likely be found on the back left side of the computer. For a PC, the power button can be found on the computer tower or on a small box mounted to the back of the monitor. Turn on the soundboard by pressing the red button on the back right side of the soundboard. Log in with your Weber username and password. Open Adobe Audition. You will be prompted to log into your Adobe Creative Cloud account with your Weber email address. The mic at the computer is mic 1. The others are labeled mic 2, 3, and 4. The soundboard is balanced when all sliders are in the middle of the board. You can adjust individual levels manually from there. The first 4 sliders are for your mic sensitivity or input level. The next slider controls input level from audio being played and recorded from the computer. It is not likely that you will use the remaining sliders. The top right knobs control individual headphone volume. Despite what you think, you will not use the record button on the soundboard panel. You will record from Audition. Mute any unused mics by pressing the red button below those mic sliders. Put on headphones and position the microphone 2 to 3 inches from your mouth. In Audition, go to File, click New, and select Audio File. Name your file and hit OK. At the bottom of your Audition window, you will see a long rectangle labeled Levels. Double-click inside that box and you will see your audio levels show up. You can now test individual microphones for audio levels. Levels should hit individually between -18 and -12. You can use the sliders on the board for these adjustments. Press the red dot above the levels box to start recording. When you are done recording, click the white square on the far left of the red dot or simply hit spacebar. Hit the spacebar again to listen to your recording. To make the podcast studio available to more people, we encourage you to edit somewhere else. Export your audio file by going to File, click Export, then select File. If you are going to edit more, you will select WAV. If you are done, you will select MP3. Choose where you would like to save the file. If you select MP3, it will let you know that your file will be compressed. Hit Yes. If you save as a WAV, it will generate 2 files. One is a .pkf. This is not your audio file. Be sure to grab the .wav. You do not need the .pkf. If you saved in Docs or on the desktop, make sure to send yourself the file or save to your USB before you log out. Once you log out, your file will be deleted. Log out of the computer, move the sliders back to the center position, turn off the board, and lights. If you have any questions or would like additional training, please reach out to ittraining@weber.edu.